Mindfulness and sleep. Cultivating restful nights. In a world that often feels too fast-paced to rest, a good night's sleep can be difficult to get. Sleep allows our minds and bodies to recharge, yet it's one of the first things affected by stress and worry. Mindfulness can help us cultivate a restful night's sleep by creating space for calm, releasing tension, and soothing the mind. Let's explore practical ways to integrate mindfulness into our bedtime routine to foster peaceful, restorative sleep. Mindful tips for sound sleep. Number 1. Establish a gentle wind-down routine. A mindful wind-down routine can create the foundation for restful sleep. About an hour before bed, begin to disconnect from overstimulating activities like using screens, reading work emails, or engaging in high-intensity tasks. Instead, focus on quiet, relaxing activities that help the body transition from doing to being. You might dim the lights or enjoy a book. This intentional time to unwind invites your body and mind to recognize that the day is coming to a close, preparing you for rest and creating space for mindful presence. 2. Body scan for relaxation. The body scan is a powerful way to release physical tension and cultivate a sense of ease. As you lie in bed, bring awareness to each part of your body, starting from the head and moving down to the toes. Gently observe any areas of tightness or discomfort without judgment, simply noticing and allowing each area to soften. As you progress, allow each breath to carry a sense of release, letting go of any stress or tension that may have accumulated throughout the day. The body scan encourages deep relaxation, inviting the body to settle into sleep more naturally. 3. Breathing practice to calm the mind. Using breath awareness can calm the mind and prepare you for sleep. Once you are comfortable in bed, bring your focus to the breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen or chest with each inhale and exhale. Let the breath flow naturally without trying to change it. As you breathe, allow each exhale to release tension or thoughts that may linger. If your mind wanders, gently return your focus to the breath. This practice activates the body's relaxation response, easing the transition to sleep by quieting the mind. 4. Observe thoughts without engagement. It's common for thoughts to surface when we lie down to rest. Instead of trying to suppress these thoughts, practice observing them as they arise. Imagine each thought as a cloud passing across the sky, coming and going without attachment. When thoughts drift in, simply note them, whether they are memories, worries, or plans, and gently return your focus to your breath or to the sensations in your body. This mindful awareness can create mental space, helping to reduce the chatter that often disrupts sleep. 5. Cultivate gratitude. Before drifting off, take a moment to reflect on a few things you are grateful for. This doesn't need to be anything elaborate. It could be as simple as the comfort of your bed, a moment of kindness you experienced, or a small accomplishment from the day. Practicing gratitude shifts the mind from stressors to positive feelings, which fosters relaxation and enhances well-being. As you settle into these thoughts of appreciation, you invite a peaceful state of mind, preparing you to embrace rest. 6. Release expectations around sleep. Often we approach sleep with expectations, hoping to fall asleep quickly or sleep through the night perfectly. This desire for control can create stress that hinders rest. In mindfulness, we practice letting go of expectations, allowing ourselves to meet each moment as it is. If you find yourself unable to sleep, try to let go of any urgency to fall asleep. Accept wakefulness without resistance, knowing that even resting peacefully in bed offers benefits. By releasing the need to control the outcome, we invite sleep as a natural, restful state that will come in its own time. Conclusion. Mindfulness allows us to create the inner space for rest by shifting from a mindset of doing to one of gentle being. As we integrate a mindful wind down, release physical tension, calm the mind, observe thoughts, and cultivate gratitude, we foster the conditions for deep, restful sleep. Remember, sleep is not something we force, it's something we invite by letting go. Thank you for joining this journey into mindfulness and sleep. May these practices support you in finding ease, relaxation, and peaceful nights.